Ache mwa kwa ba Adom TV Badwam dwumade eso idanyame ase ma enne se ye kan ate asefo no erade de waka ho ebie na wocho foforo bu ni adwuada foforo ni de edru so a ye de bro ye de nwum no ajeje wa baba no ye Badwam kase ensam no ne etodwa omu bi ya wo beti ni acting Winneba Divisional Police Commander DSP Gabriel Chei Yabua na wode kokobo ne afutuo mu adehye wo Winneba ne important mu ni titiu ne mabuno no woncho ho firi niema bia ebesai nyapade ne ede ohaw ebebra adehye wo samensin mu etutuo bia koso bra na Adom Resources Limited for yama won mo ekwan interim management committee ya high court no apause won mo enkoye ne yama manko bi eno ne sembi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube ya Adom TV2 kwadomonline.com ensemwe ni bebre so egu ho midin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni dem yentie sede ensem ni chiremu ankasa etie acting Winneba Divisional Police Commander ye DSP Gabriel Chei Yabua na wode to adehye wo Winneba ni mo osre won ni dem a wo mamra nya dwuma ewo ho akase no etwaso
Efibra fimpinu ene edunu na abato no ebe awiye no manfo a wonom ati Winneba de omudodo no ana nipabonifo bi ato ahye won so aha wonom adwene na DSP Chei Yabua adana de se Ghana Police Service eden hyehyeye egu akwan mu se de beya sa nipa bonefo a wodi se nipa bonefo sem ss niama e wo bra abato no ebe awiye akire no obekire wonom nyina wurayi niama ne boni etwetwe nkomo no wode atomanfo a wonom ati Winneba animu se wonya gidie e wo police fo mu na obi biara obeye wonom ayakayaka de no wonfa meto wonom anim no wonpa akwan pa wode se nipa yi ebefa so
during elections never be a bimum a report to say never be uncle ye. The best say a movie and found and send Ebia Nipa soon say Olona Okodi or Ebia Nenyon na Wapa attack innocent person. It's the best friend say Mobenya police trust na a cases be a number report to Ama police. Na masa assist police to investigate.
Alhaji Kasim Zibiero eye efutu mensini krachi odi atomanfo wonum Winneba nyina enimu se wonka won humum na wo moa mempumtuo emra Winneba kurudua enimu
ye na yenye kor na yemfanta fancy desi nechi na simpa onya ne tampapa mfra na simpa mpuntu na odo oban otumuba na ye na ye hoton ye gina hayi mo ankasa mo be testify de eba simpa ha akwan a wo hwa ka akwan a eyi oye ye MP Honorable Alexander Afenyumakin weyin na odoso but ibi nso wo ha yenye na mesere de ye na ye be yakro na ya data aben ya obe nechi na ya anya kura it wouldn't be ye na anya kura na yenta echi
enu achi ena nana ya wasamwa ya wono ena Winneba Masquerade Festival 2025 jumedie no esi ne nice no Edisansemi etwaso.
Through tourism, no, a project crew, essence project, a fence the Masquerade, essence boa local business, essence create employment. Because that day no be how beton, so which may employing for phone contons in America.
Etwa to yes security personnel on Adom Resources Limited. Ni nyina say interim management committee no high court, Accra High Court, apause o montie no. Oma ho kwan a enam sonti tuo akasa ewo nhyiamu na se Adom TV kase etwaso
Sasemi esiwo edwumakuo no mining sites a ewo lembelemensin ni mu na esanse echiniyegie ewo nia woye adwuma no wura te no asem no ekopie court ema court no ate IMC ya wo hwe wonom dwumadie so Isaac Akon ene ye chairman na woda IMC a wote ye no ano ye ko support ewo adwuma mu honom no woni amanebo ni etwetwe nkomo odi emu nchiremu eto nanim
in every mind, come and listen. Every minute, every second, there's somebody in charge of the mind. The GM might be away, whoever might be away, but somebody who is responsible for the mind at every point in time. Who is the person in charge?
I cannot give that.
Okay. All right.
But we know the office, then we are going to the office.
Okay.
The general
office is not the
general manager is office.
The office is not the person.
Yeah, I'm sending new GM. I'm sending new GM. I'm sending new GM. I'm sending new GM to the office.
We are not here to stop operation. Operation is supposed to continue. Operation is going to continue. We have to put people in place to make sure that the work continues, and then the court mandate is respected.
Yato Adom TV Badwam Kasiano eso na 2024 edition na ye Pursuit Mining Annual Community Games no akoso den ewo denchira German community na womo enedi mu enkunim ewo sa dwumadie no a wonde hyehyɛ so afibia no na wonmo ye wei sebe ye nkabomu ne asomdwie etumi akoso ewo nkura atwa won ho ahia Kasiano etwaso
Pursuit Mining Annual Community Games no ebe wiye no denchira German kuro no na wonom edi nkunim nkuro nwotwe na saa kansi wonom ekobie na wonom ede be wiye no nkuro ni mu nan na tumi call finals ni bie denchira Berman etoso miensa na Pursuit Mining Company Limited nso etoso 9 na wasanko ya etoso mienu ma denchira German kuro no edi nkunim na basobode ahudu bebre na wode ma wonom bra dwumedie no ebe wiye na Daniel Ejamensa ya oye managing director wode dwumaku ya no esi sudua se saa akansie no enya akansie akekenemum ya akwanya wofaso ede aboa mempuntuo abasa enkuro ni nyina emu.
Fantastic day to celebrate in the spirit of community, teamwork, and healthy competition. It is an absolute pleasure to see so many enthusiastic faces here at the 2024 PMGL Intercommunity Football Games. I am thrilled to witness this event, which entails much more than just football. Today, we celebrate the power of sports to bring people together, bridge gaps, and create lasting connections.
Nana Boaja Kon, denchira German hene. Ono nso di tuja se ekuro no edi nkunimu die nanso enya de a wonom eba betena se kra oba be ye adwumaden se de be ya obetumi aka nkuro atwa wo ho ahia nyina abomu.
And it has happened. We have won the cup. Now, as we have won the cup, we are going to bring the children, and we are going to make the team strong, more stronger than before. We put more effort to bring them, to make them a strong team. That's why we are heading. So we thank God for this trophy He has given us, and we thank God for all of you to participate in this competition. Without you, we can't do it. So we ask you, as you have come to help us, we thank you very much. Okay, and the community too. All the community came, but it was a good fun today.
Atayamantemo Corolla Yadia no Gusua Manumuso Ewoha make us say cases ahodo 800 ewo ye mensini enwo twimo enipa dunai enenam Corolla no so ne wato na no monsiedo nti penifo de hye pa egu fom sebeya yare no ebeba fom
bra yebo amane se cholera yare no atu atise ewo atoyemantem mu no besine ya ne nipa dodo no na yare yi bi eye wono mu asese aba beto dwase manfo beboro ha wotwe na mensini wotwe ewo mantem mu hono no wanya yare ni bi na arehosem ewo mu ene se enipa dunan ene nam yare so ahwere wono mu nkwa enam so ama apomudimu nimdifuo ede itudwa se ehu hia pass wode nhyehyeye ebegu akwan mu nhyehyeye bi ene se obekwa akososo nkrofo anu mu ede abo wo ho ban afiri yare no ho na wansan so afa entete kwan so ahyamanfo nkran se woni won ho eni Dr. Ya Ofori Yebo a eye atoyemantem panyini a wo hwe Ghana Health Services so
about eight districts have reported cholera cases, and I must say that up to now, the facilities within these 8 districts have managed over 800 cases, and that is a lot. We have lost 14 people so far. Currently, the epicenter is Sekandi, Takoradi, Ekma, and adjoining districts, Shama, and then Ahanta West. So we are appealing to everybody to take the basic precautions that health people have been telling the population.
And actually, and Dr. Gifty Amugi, yeah, we hear the Yiniabidi Chira, was public health so, ewo atoyamante monso, edesansemi etuja.
The advent of the surge in the cases of cholera in the region, it has become very important that we vaccinate the populace. The reason is that the vaccination would improve or increase our immunity to the cholera infection. What we need now at this point is to drastically bring down the number of cases that we are getting for the cholera. I repeat that this is not the first line or the gold standard in controlling the cholera management or the cholera outbreak within the region.
Mpainufo kasa anu achiri ena yamane boni in Natalia Kwansa eto aso enetememfo bi etwetwe nkomo.
Graciously, I have seen the data and I have seen some cases. When you go to Takoradi Hospital, for example, all the wards have been converted to cholera centers. I don't see what Ghana Health Service is doing. I'm begging them, I'm entreating them. They should speak to the regional authorities so that at least we can declare a state of emergency so far as cholera is concerned at Secondary Takoradi.
Personally work in a health facility, so I can tell how serious the outbreak is, and it's actually killing people here. But I think due to the election, people didn't really know how serious the cholera outbreak was.
As a resident of Efiekuma, and knowing that that is also a very, it's part of the cholera-prone areas, it's a bit, I'm skeptical about eating outside.
Yeah, it was so na what you hear damemenda nankrai de ye one call National Theatre na de ohun de course officer ho and Adom TV 9 license and carousel or ye de ehye so enum twagu ya kama ne yenkwohwe se de drama na ho pompo ye kakra no etie
ebi asem bi kura wo ye na osan wo akomodew ani se sie na wo mama ma ono fo sister na me bi e ko ho krapa no impenuvo na bede
kamenya die huo ni yamade a
Yesu roba wo
mama ko pe molikoko bi nsi so ma we mempe molikoko bia ma pa molikoko ho mempe
wo bedi dai pa
mesi medi die huo ni yamade
abofra ye wo enche ye die huo ni yamade na obedi ei
she papa ni mama pa mo die se mo ni nte eno so ai mama ye die eno na obetu se me ni obofo maike mu asinkunya ni ye di a ka wabo say yes
Honorable Yedede, Honorable Yedede, Yedede, Honorable Yedede, Honorable Yedede, Honorable Wari, Honorable Wari, Honorable Wari, Honorable Wari, Honorable Wari, Honorable Wari, Honorable Wari,
Hey, Adom. Baby, I am way. You will be chained. No more to a baby designer. Ebeboa. Move river.
Quickly.
Quickly.
Yane Ejimi for.
Hey. Asa. Asa be no. Asa. O pronounce ade na woji.
Data no etekwa. Data no. And the man basa me scan niema.
Oh, okay.
Me pa cho fa che yane enyansafo miensa.
Me busabio. Madam Roma, monanti say the same.
Yo, minua, obusabio.
Woman nko.
And tentem so. Opanyini, ya enwanhwefo a ehwenwan so a ye wapuye. Na ye wo ewa ye hwe enwan so a ne hu sensunuma apie. Na nsuma no so abakosa ma yate ase se. Tie hu se apie na kyese ya wo agenkwa no. Eno ene ye di akira ase ye kohwehwe ba bia ya wo agenkwa no. Ena nsuma no de abepia na ye babisa se eye nokura se ampa ya wo agenkwa no a ɛno nti ɛna ma yɛbɛ
ɛne nyinaa yɛ wɔ ha
papa no kwa si ya women
ai ma wo
ade mo ba no money to automatic ya women ti mu si ya women
the king sɛdeɛ usi ebu ɔman no nti na wo adwene bi sɛ yɛbɛsa mo atoa so ana brofo a ɛmehi
Ayina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na ye de siase da na ye odia umre no wadaje de yebekɔ so asrew so obetwen ye ne ye de obonkrata no ne online de no to so ama twɛn sisie ye kwaba